This is it, the one you've been waiting for, how to paint a wave. Hi, I'm Jenny Buchanan of Blue Beach House Art. If you're like me and you want to know not only how to do something, but why you need to do it that way, then this is the video for you. So I couldn't possibly show you how to paint every single type of wave there is in this one short video. What I can do, however, is help you to paint the core elements of a wave to give you a foundation that you can build upon so you can explore new techniques and try things out for yourself to make your paintings look more realistic. Anyway, that's enough talking for today. Let's get on with the video.
In my previous videos, I used this demo painting to show you firstly how to paint the shore wash, then the rocky beach headland, and then how to give the appearance of depth and distance in a painting. This is the point where we're going to start from in today's video.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Or if you want to find out about my other art learning resources, why not head to the Blue Beach House Art website and check out what I've got there.